Welcome back to the basement. I've been working on this Baja Heat this morning. I even went so far as to change out the carburetor. Remember the last video of it, we had a leak. When I went to pull it off of the motorcycle lift, it was leaking. And that told me that the float bowl, or the float needle, was stuck open. It was allowing fuel to come in and flow up into the carburetor. Well, I got the idea to go ahead and I've got another brand new Predator. I stole the carburetor off of it, put it on. It's still not running. It will run with carbon choke cleaner, and I got it to fire a little bit like that, but nothing out of the carburetor. So I don't know what's the problem. It may be something internal. I may have to take one of these carbs apart and thoroughly clean everything out. I don't know what's wrong with it. So, brand new carb didn't work. The old carb that was on it didn't work. So, I'm going to go ahead and take this engine off, and I'll put the carb back on the original brand new Predator, stick that on, and then we'll go from there. All right, while I had this guard off, it just pops on here with these little tabs. And while I had it off of there, I wanted to show you why one of the reasons these things are so slow. When they come from the factory, they go from the clutch to a big sprocket. Well, not really big, medium, we'll say. All right, this is attached to a small jack shaft with another sprocket behind it. This little sprocket, you can see how much finger I can get in there to the chain. So, that right there is considerably smaller. So that's a gear down. So then they've got these great big sprockets on the back, and that gears it down even more. So they're not geared for very high speed. What I may do after I get something running, is I may delete the jack shaft and both of these sprockets, flip that around. I'll have to flip the clutch around so that the sprocket will be on the inside and line up with the rear sprocket, and just put a straight chain on it. That's going to make it a lot faster. So then, first, however, I have to get this engine off, and I'll probably take it outside while the engine's off of it and pressure wash the frame, get all this grease and goo off of it, make it look decent. All right, now we're down to the jack shaft. I'll get this thing out of the way. And then we can get to the back two bolts and remove the engine. Hopefully. Stuff ain't been going my way all day, so we'll see. Okay, let's see here. What all is it connected to? Where is it connected? Oh no, not again. Well, let's get this out again. We'll have to use a puller to loosen that up. Okay. Now this is very difficult when you buy yourself. And okay, that's going to have to come out a lot. Oh. Down there. A little more. Okay. Now. See if I can get that now somewhere and pull on it. Okay, now hopefully that'll stay till I can get the socket on now. Okay, that loosened it up on the sprocket side. enough. Let's see. Oh, I finally got it. Little plate that holds the jack shaft. This thing, I'll save it. It may be needed on something else. If nothing else, I can use this sprocket over again for whatever. Okay, we got that. We got that out of the way. Now, get in here and get this unbolted in the back. Bolt. I want to cut that little wire tie over there. Get it out of the way. Now. Okay. Let's see. I still got one in there. No, that one. I knew I still had one. I just didn't know where. It's nice and loose. Now that I've got the engine off and everything's unhooked and got the engine off, so now I'm ready to take it outside and spray it off good. May wait till later in the afternoon to get that done because it's a little chilly in here. Or a little chilly out there, I should say. In here it ain't bad. I'm actually sweating a little bit. So we'll continue with that later. I think I'll wrap up the episode with this, and I thank you for watching. We'll visit this thing next time, and I've still got my arm screen to come. I've got to go over there and get it mounted and show it in working order. It'll be a short video. It shouldn't be more than 3 or 4 minutes. So next 2 days I have to have another project to work. I've got another project to work on, but it won't be filmed. So I'll get back to this weekend. And like I said, thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like what you see. Share it with your friends. Subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. That'll let you know every time I put a video up. Thank you very much. And God bless.